Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to configure Magento to contact us form and contact email address, right? So let's check this. For this you need to go to the home page. Right now we have contact us page. We have join us this right the written text. So how we are going to change this, right? So let me revert the theme first. Let's check catalog, content configuration themes, the design. Let's go to the changing the Magento blank Luma, save the configuration, flush the cache, reload this, content, configurations, Magento Luma. Reload this page. Okay, see, this is the default contact us page, right? So all the data is written over here, contact us, we are hearing from this and all that, right? So how we are going to change this, all this functionality, all this like text and where it is written, right? So let's go to the pages. We have contact info, and where is the page is like this. Let's edit this page and check what exactly it is. Content, see, edit with page builder, and let's edit this code. This is Luma delivery and returns. So this is not that page, right? So let's close this page. It's not customer service, it is contact us. So it's not there. Let's go to the stores configurations. We have journal, we have contacts. Here it is enabled. Here you can configure the email options, right? And after this you can save that one. Let's check whether the address web, because this context is coming from the any of the static block. So let's go to the page content blocks, and in blocks we have contact us info, right? Edit this block. Here you have all the facilities, all the things that we have to edit. Go to this one, settings. In settings we have the block title contact us info, call this helpline number, right? Apparel design, press inquiries, right? These all these things, press inquiries, everything you can edit from here, right? This static block, right? You can change it and you can configure it accordingly, right? And here this is the default functionality, default form that is written. So here this you can modify accordingly. If I'm going to like this, just control A, control X, and save this module. See, it will not come in, it's blank, right? So I think this static block is calling in that templating file by default. So I'm going to paste it again, and you will you will get to know that you can modify this HTML CSS part accordingly, right? So I'm going to save this module, contact us, it will going to be like this. So this is how we can change the contact information default page from the backend easily, right? And information already we have told you that stores configuration, and here we have the contacts. In journal we have the contacts. In contacts we have to send emails, email sender and contact form design. You can choose it from there, right? Or you can add the email template from the backend and you can check it from here, right? So hope you understand how to configure that contact us form and the email settings. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.